Hey guys, welcome to another MTM video. Today we're going to be looking at a Corsa. It's 1.2 engine and it's got the oil pressure light that's on the dash constantly. There's a common fault for these, so we're going to have a little look at that now. Okay, so we're in the engine bay of the Corsa, and with the oil pressure light on the dash, it's a good idea to check out the oil pressure switch. And it is just there, located next to the dipstick. What these do is that they're very prone to fail. They fail internally and they actually allow oil to travel through the sensor and it exits through the electrical connector. So what you'll normally find is that it drips out of the end of the plug, and that's a very good indication that you need to replace it, because that'll mess with the electrical signals that it sends to the ECU, and then that's what brings your light on the dash. So yeah, a nice and easy one today. So it's just a 24mm and you're able to just crack that off and remove it by hand. But yeah, it's an easy one. It's very common on these Corsas, so don't overlook it next time you have something with this kind of fault in next time. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Please watch some of the other videos on the channel and give us a like and a subscribe. Cheers.